I had made another song and I was shopping it to my now personal radio playlist distribution network. And one of the dudes who was a big fan of mine, I had sent him like a shirt or a hat, you know, because he kept adding our songs to playlists. He would never charge me. He would always add me to the top. His playlist had like 10,000 followers. Shout out to him. So I hit him, sent him the new record. He was like, Dorian, you know, I feel like he was like in Luxembourg or something. The song is dope, man, but you know, I'm gonna listen to it personally, but I don't own the playlist no more. The hell you mean you own the playlist no more? I sold it. The hell you mean you sold it? Niggas can't buy playlists. My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond. It's like, yeah, man, you can buy playlists. And this is how. And inside of Facebook Messenger, he showed me exactly how people can buy and sell playlists. I was flabbergasted. I was floored. I was really pissed off because he didn't sell it to me. But I was really appreciative of him for giving me that information because I knew that this is now an opportunity of me to not lease my network, but own my network. So I did what any real motherfucker would do. I had everybody on my playlist network, all 300 of them, and I asked them to buy their playlist for $50. Some people blocked me, some people laughed, some people tried to raise the price, but 6 people said yes. And the way you actually had to do it back then to buy Spotify playlists, you had to actually go through @Spotify Cares on Twitter. So here's a conversation I had with Spotify Cares when I was looking to buy a playlist. I hit them up and I asked them, said, hey, what's the process? Somebody want to give me their playlist. Hey there, can you give us more info? Blah, blah, blah. Somebody want to give me the playlist. What's up? They said, can you fire over the email address? I asked homeboy for his email. He sent it over. I sent mine. I asked him how soon we could transfer it over. Y'all look, see, 12:17 a.m., 12:18 a.m. I was up late at night. This is West Coast time in LA, and I'm on their head. They said, man, thanks. Can you let us know the blah, 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 blah. I asked the person for all of that. They did it. There's our info. They said, hey, can you unfollow the playlist? Unfollow, boom. Playlist is now in my name. Because I can now guarantee placements because I own 6 playlists, I was able to go a lot harder with the marketing and I was selling a lot more 1, 3, and 6 Spotify placements. Because we were doing this consistently and the content was taking off, we were able to clear $100,000 and I was able to leave my job and do music full time. If you are an artist, and you want access to everything I did to be able to build this entire business and to leave my job and to become an artist full-time, make music whenever I want to, you need to invest in our How to Market Your Music on Social Media course. I talk about some of this business, but I give you all the principles that I learned. I give you the exact plugins I was using. I give you the exact funnels I was using. I will give you templates. I give you everything that you need to expand your music business into realms where it's going to get you paid. Because if you think that you're about to make it by just rapping, it's not going to fucking happen. You have to be able to do other shit. Jay-Z couldn't just rap. He made good music videos too. Michael Jackson couldn't just sing. He could dance too. Some of y'all, that's not your gifts, but you need to know how to market your music and you need to understand how to make money in a creator economy. So you need to click the links below. You need to get in the class right now. YouTube has a new feature. Y'all heard me talk about it before. I'm gonna say it again. It's called Super Thanks. And it's down here at the bottom somewhere. If you like what I'm talking about and I'm giving you great advice, this is a way for you to give me money. This is a way for you to show how nice you are to me. This is a way for you to support the creator, which a lot of y'all don't want to do. 99% of my content is free. Y'all can donate every once in a while. Click right there, click the super thanks, give me some money.
Group82university.com